Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless, going live for just a quick second here, just to give you an idea on what all we have available currently here at Neha Wireless. As you can see, we have tons of the motorized bikes up here. We have electric scooters. We have TVs, karaoke machines, rides for the kids. And guys, we have tons of phones. We offer cell phone repair, laptop repair, iPad and tablet repair. We offer phone services as well, so if you are looking to set up a new service for your phone, we can definitely help with that. We have tons of accessories for you here at Neha Wireless. We have the OtterBox style cases for all the different iPhones, as well as our standard cases, which start at only $10, as well as our screen protectors. We have tons of services, like I said, that we can set up on your current device or a new device that you get here with us. We have tons of gaming options for you. Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, 5, Nintendo Switch Lite, Oculus, PlayStation Virtual Reality, PS5, Xbox Series S and X. We have iPhones up to the iPhone 8 Plus, currently in this case here. Step over here and you will see all the way up to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but we do have the 14 Pro Max currently available as well. These phones are unlocked and ready for whatever service provider that you may have or that you would like to set up. And guys, no worries, we have plenty of Androids for you Android lovers too. And as you can see, we also have more Apple products back here as well. We are in the middle of reorganizing. As you can see, we have tons of AirPod cases. We're getting ready to put those out. We have some of them out already. And guys, we offer leasing all day long, so no matter what your credit situation is, we can help you finance or lease something here at Neha Wireless with no problems and easy, flexible payments. So get down here and see what we have for you. We promise that you will leave with something. Have a good day.